If you're feeding your baby through a bottle, you always want to wash your hands before preparing any formula. Always use the instructions on the side of the can to prepare the formula. You never want to dilute the formula or give water to a newborn or an infant. When preparing the bottle, do not use a microwave. This can cause hot spots in the milk. You always want to test the temperature of the formula on your wrist by sprinkling a little bit on your wrist. Also, you never want to prop the bottle in the baby's mouth. They can choke if you're out of the room and the bottle is still in their mouth. You need to keep a close eye on all of the nipples that you're using and make sure that they are not deteriorating and that they're still intact. If a little piece were to fall off and the baby were to swallow it, it could be very dangerous, especially if they were to aspirate it into their lungs. You also don't want to give your baby anything other than breast milk or formula when they're young, under 6 months of age. Do not give them juice and do not give them any kind of soft drink, especially in a bottle. You also don't want to put any honey in the bottle. This can be very dangerous for a baby under 1 year old.